By now you should have already looked at our YouTube video demonstration of our Android phone application that illustrates how a new car auction takes place. If you haven't done so already, we recommend that you do at this time so you can familiarize yourself how the new car auction takes place, because it's identical to the one for our website. To look at other categories of auctions, you go to the middle part of our homepage and click at any of the 4 categories on the top, which are the only ones that are active at this time. For example, we can click at used cars. You enter the model of the car you want to buy, the zip code of your location, the distance to your location, and the model, the year of the car you want to buy. Then you search and you will obtain a list of registered dealerships that are members of our auctions, and you can click at any one of them. You will notice that all of them display the same characteristics of the car, being an Acura 4-cylinder white, mileage is the same, condition excellent. And you will notice that these prices are not fixed. They change in relation to who you are comparing them to. For example, this car here, the starting price is $22,000, but the dealership has set some parameters to fix how low that price can go in relation to who you are comparing them to. The same thing with this one, $20,000. That doesn't mean it's a fixed price. These, depending on the parameters, can go as low as 18, 16. This one can go 15, 14, but nobody knows. Only the dealership who entered the parameters into our database knows those factors. But just to give you an example, we can click on these two and make them compete. You will see that the demo C1, which the asking price was $20,000, went even lower than that just to go under the parameters of the other competitor. Let's say that now we include this one with $19,000 in the auction and see what the results will be. In this case, 3 won with $13,720 because all the parameters came into play and a series of calculations took place to arrive to this price. Now, let's say that you have gone to a local dealer website, for example, this one here, and on their website you look at what their inventory was. You found the same vehicle with the same characteristics and you obtain a price from them. Let's say that you obtain a price of $16,000. Then you can copy that name, put it here, paste it, and put this $16,000 that you were quoted and include that dealership into the auction to see if the other dealerships on the top can beat that price. Remember, this one starts at 20, 22,000, 19,000, and the one you enter by hand is 16,000. You click here and the result was 13,720. That means that based on the parameters of this dealership, it was able to go even under the price you enter by hand. Let's take a look at another category From our home page, we can select the car wash option and then enter the zip code where you are located and the radius of the area you want to search. You will obtain a list of stores that are willing to participate in the auction, and again, these prices shown here are only asking prices. All these prices have parameters that make them go lower in relation to who their participant competitors are. For example, we're going to click here $20 and $22, and the result will be $17.07 by store number Z1. Let's say we delete that one and include the one with $19. Again, click here to start the auction, and the result is $17.25 by store Z3. Now, similar to the used car dealerships, you can go down to the bottom of the page and select a business that is not listed at the top of the page, copy and paste it here, and enter a price that was quoted to you, or maybe you obtain a coupon from that store. You can enter that price here. Let's say the coupon is for $15. You click here, and still the store number Z3 was able to beat the $15 price at $14.70. You can find an even lower price if you keep entering other stores. Let's enter this one at $12. And that one at $12 won. You see is store number C4. If you are a business owner and you want to become a participant of our auctions, you go to the home page and click on the retailers or sellers tab. Let's say you are a car wash business owner, and just to give you an example, I'm gonna enter a demo code here of an existing store. And on this page is where you enter your parameters. For example, you enter the asking price, the increment of the percentage you want to be close to your nearest competitor, and what your maximum discount will be. These parameters will come into play where you are being compared to other stores by the user. Then once you have set up your parameters, you can change them here anytime, and then submit, and you are automatically saved into the database. Next time a user conducts a search in the area of your business, the name of your business will be displayed and be able to participate in that auction. Please note that after each transaction, a confirmation number is generated. That confirmation number can be verified by the winning business or store by going into their account and click here where all the confirmation numbers of the winning transactions have been recorded. As an example, here you see the asking price, the confirmation number, the date each transaction took place, and who the second winner was. In other words, who the nearest competitor was for that particular transaction.